Hey everybody, it's Adrian here. Welcome to another episode of, well, we don't have a show name yet. I have to apologize, and you're going to have to forgive me for the lack of updates lately, but yeah, it's been a tough journey so far. I've been involved in a lot of work for clients, and I'm finally done. I finally finished. I'm so proud of myself that I've been able to pull off such a huge load of work in such a small time frame, right? Yeah. Anyway, I'm now done, so I guess I'll have more time to spend on YouTube producing videos for you guys. I have a lot of ideas in my mind. All right, so in my previous video, you have probably seen how was it the iPad one or? Oh, yeah, I did a small video talking about a random idea that I came across this idea or concept. It's a pretty weird concept, okay? It's a really weird reality. In the previous video, so to say, I was talking about how I got an iPad. It had a little scratch on the side of it, just where the Apple Pencil is supposed to be attached to the iPad by magnets. That little sucker finally revealed himself, getting me into this low vibe state of mind. And how happy or how excited or how sad and angry I was because it came with some scratches and some imperfections that I was not expecting. But I have finally received a new one. This is really good. This one feels really great. It had no flaws at all. And oh, what the hell? I'm just gonna play the clip for you guys. Alright guys, let's see what this new iPad Pro has to offer to me. Hopefully a positive surprise, not a bad one like last time. There we go. Oh man, I'm excited. Please don't be scratched. I'm trying my best, okay? There we go. Woo! Man, my heart is beating so fast right now. So, okay, my hands are completely clean. Oh, okay. This should say something. Let's see if they have treated it with the deserved respect. Okay. Okay, this was my sweaty hand. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna wait until it vanishes. Well, it shouldn't matter, right? Because this is on the plastic. So here we are. Oh man, there is something over here and some dust particles over here, but there's not really a scratch, I hope. Let me take this glass wiping thing so I can see what that is. It doesn't seem to be a scratch. I'm quite happy with it for now at least. I'm just inspecting like every corner. All right, oh, you can see the lamp now. That's a new present I got for my birthday from my friends, best friends in the world. Thank you guys. Shout out to my friends. Oh, this doesn't have any scratch here on this little, what is the name of this thing? I don't know, this kind of magnet here where the Apple Pencil should attach. So it's completely okay. It's completely new. I don't see any scratch or anything on it, just like previous time. Hopefully this one will turn out good and will work just as perfect as I expect. All right, so as you've seen, it turned out to be great. And I think it was the same day or the same week or whatever, same month, same year. I'm just kidding. No, but it was really close to when I went to the cinema to watch Spiderman Into the Spiderverse. And man, what a film. Holy fuck. I was so hyped and so excited to watch it. Boy, it's amazing. It's just wonderful. Like, not only at the technical level, but I like the story. I like the characters. Knowing some of the names that have worked on this probably adds up more and more and more excitement and makes me like it even more. It's a great film. It's a great story. It's a great animation. It's everything's cool, man. The visuals, the soundtrack, it's all amazing. If you haven't watched it, I highly recommend it. And they got an award, right? They got like an Oscar or something to best feature animation film or something like that. I'm sorry, I'm not really sure what they won, but I hope best film of the year. So when I got back home, I wanted to celebrate this with my new iPad. I drew something on Procreate. I was not really sure what was going on because I'm not really into painting on the iPad yet because I don't know how to paint. I don't know the brushes. It's a different system than in Photoshop, at least to me, right? It feels a little bit different. I actually managed to paint something, and this is what you're watching right now. So I managed to create my version of what I remember from the film. Spoiler alert. You should stop watching if you haven't seen the film, or skip like 20 seconds, or mute the video, right? So I wanted to portray this moment where he falls and there's skyscrapers on the sides, but I wanted to add like this kind of superpower they put on this Spider-Man, which is like he has a thunder kind of power, you know, on his fingers. Like he has sparks and yeah, thunders, right? So I was really proud of this, and I decided to export the video and make this video for you guys. So yeah, here it is. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. I have to stream on Twitch right now in like 1 hour. So I highly recommend subscribe, like the video if you liked it for real. And please, more important than anything, leave a damn comment about what do you think about this video. How do you think I could improve it? And just stay creative, guys. I love you a lot. Thank you for the support, and I wish you a great week ahead. So see you next time. Bye-bye, guys.
I just need to clear my head.